It's 4 p.m. at IPS's Butler University Lab School number 55, and students ranging from pre-K to 8th grade are finally finished with their day of learning. However, an ambitious group of students has decided to participate in an after-school journalism club, one that is taught by university students. Donna Griffin, the coordinator of this program, devised a unique plan to incorporate learning throughout these younger students and their college-level counterparts.
The Butler coaches work to get their materials together to teach the processes of media creation. And then we work at Butler for those about 4 weeks, and then the other 8 weeks you're here on site. The coaches are here on site at the school, and they work one-on-one teaching the kids the process.
That process includes various different sections of the journalism procedure: brainstorming, drafting and writing, interviewing, and multimedia production. Each week, a different group of Butler students teaches the intricacies of one of these focuses.
We're focusing on brainstorming, so teaching them how to come up with ideas, form ideas with a group and members of their table. So I think passing out little exercises like prompts, different prompts of okay, we have this lemonade stand, how did it come about, and getting them to kind of quiz other people to kind of get them to be their own journalists. So we did a lot of that exercises today, which was really cool.
The kids will also have a chance to apply all of their new journalism skills with the creation of a final project that they will present at a showcase at the end of the semester.
The kids that I talked to were very excited to get started on their final projects, but as the club just started last week, they have a lot to learn until then. For the Butler Collegian, I'm Sam Schink.
Thank you, coaches, for helping me editing my work and for everything you do.
Thank you, coaches, for helping me write my newspaper and editing.
Thank you, coaches, for helping me learn how to write better stories. Your hat was fun to take.
Your hat was fun. Thank you so much for helping us through all of our typing and our research.
Thank you for just showing up every day and helping us.
Thank you for all you did. You came here, you acted like that. You acted like when you guys first came here, you acted like this was your school, and you took us through and everything and helped us a lot.
Thank you so much. We appreciate it for all of your help and support.
We would definitely like you to come more.
Thanks for teaching us and what you taught us. Now we're smart.
Thank you, coaches. My favorite memory is all of the things we did and said. Jason. Thank you, coaches. My favorite memory is going to esports. Thank you, coaches. Thank you, coaches. Thank you, coaches.
All together, say it loud.
Thank you, coaches.